Okay, Article 1, Section 3. This is about the senators. The senators of the United States shall be composed of 2 senators from each state, chosen by the legislature thereof, for 6 years, and each senator shall have 1 vote. Immediately after they shall be assembled in consequence of the first election, they shall be divided as equally as may be into 3 classes. The seats of the senators of the first class shall be vacated at the expiration of the 2nd year, of the 2nd class at the expiration of the 4th year, and the 3rd class at the expiration of the 6th year, so that 1/3 may be chosen every 2nd year, and if vacancies happen by resignation or otherwise during the recess of the legislature of any state, the executive thereof may make temporary appointments until the next meeting of the legislature, which shall then fill such vacancies. No person shall be a senator who shall not have attained the age of 30 years and been 9 years a citizen of the United States, and who shall not, when elected, be an inhabitant of the state for which he shall be chosen. The Vice President of the United States shall be the President of the Senate, but shall have no vote unless they be equally divided. The Senate shall choose their other officers, and also a President pro tempore, in the absence of the Vice President, or when he shall exercise the office of President of the United States. The Senate shall have the sole power to try all impeachments. When sitting for that purpose, they shall be an oath or an affirmation. When the President of the United States is tried, the Chief Justice shall preside, and no person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of the members present. Judgment in cases of impeachment shall not extend further than to removal from office, and disqualification to hold and enjoy any office of honor, trust, or profit under the United States, but the party convicted nevertheless be liable and subject to indictment, trial, judgment, and punishment according to the law. So we got a couple of things here. The first thing is the Senate was set up with 100 members, and they were sporadically set to expire every 2 years, so that we had new senators coming in potentially every 2 years, and 1/3 of those senators being up for election, serving a term of 6 years. The reason they were staggered is it gave us the ability for the governor to have time to set the elections, to replace a person, and if needed, the governor would actually temporarily appoint someone until the election can be held. Vice President, of course, is the President of the Senate. We just saw that with Vice President Pence, who voted in the Senate and broke the tie just recently here. So you see an example of that. Vice President Al Gore, I remember he did that also. Other than that, they don't really have a vote. They preside as president, but their only voting power is to break a tie. And then, the issue of impeachment, the Congress has to basically charge the president with impeachment, investigate the impeachment, and then act as the prosecutor. The Senate is where the trial is held, and the Senate acts as the jury, and in the case of the president, the Chief Justice presides over the case like a judge would over another case. So that's the process of impeachment. So that's Article 1, Section 3, and we'll move on to the next one here shortly. Thank you.